Tesla, is it a smart investment or investors being taken for a ride?
What if there was a car that could move nature without disturbing it? A car that gets smarter with age. A car so revolutionary that it enlightens you. A car that represents the future.
One of the hottest names today in the automotive industry is Tesla. Not only is their flagship Model S sedan one of the fastest production cars available, but also for the new Gigafactory, which when complete will build enough batteries to build 500,000 cars a year. Financially, the company is very sound for a startup. They're operating at a net operating loss, but that loss is smaller than their R&D expenses. They have cash on hand to last them 2 years, excluding that R&D cost, and a very clean balance sheet. My main concern with Tesla was how their stock would react to falling oil prices, and it's held in there very well, which is logical if you think about it. With an almost $90,000 Canadian entry price, no one's buying a Tesla to save on gas money. But that's also my main concern with Tesla. As a higher-end EV maker, things look very rosy for them. However, as they move down to everyday car prices with their Model 3, things start to look a little bit less rosy. Tesla is already taking a huge risk with the Gigafactory to bring down their cost for batteries, allowing them to make the Model 3 economical. But there's already competition on the low end, with Nissan Leaf and Chevy Volt having a many-year head start on Tesla in the segment, as well as currently combined outselling the Model S. This will be a large battle for Tesla to fight. But ultimately, as an investment, my real issue with Tesla is the price. With a market cap of $32.5 billion, that places them very close to Ford at 54 and GM at 48. In order for Tesla to give a good return on investment, they will need to corner the EV market and dominate the car landscape. I don't see that as a certainty, and at these prices, I'll tell Tesla to take a hike.